Hello people, welcome back to Lance DIY. Today we're going to seal the concrete patio. This patio here is roughly 45 feet long, 16 feet span. Today we're going to be using Everclear Voc, water-based. It's a water-based solvent that we're going to be using, and that's what they recommend at the concrete supply house. So that's what we're going to use. We're going to be applying it in these squares. If you notice, you have a square, so we're going to go from here to here, here, and here, and we're going to seal it in small sections like that. Now the tip that I learned is we roll it. You can roll it on, that's fine, but you want to come back and do a dry roller as well. So definitely recommend it. So we're going to start off in this corner here, and we're going to roll it on, and then we're going to I'll have another roller that's a dry roller. It doesn't have anything on it, and we'll hit it again. I'm also going to take and paintbrush any of that stuff right along the edges all the way around. So it should be fun.
Now I grabbed the leaf blower throughout the job, so that way I can blow off any kind of loose debris that's sitting on the patio as I was going. I always left it there, so that way if there was anything there, I can just blow it off. Now you see me working on this section, you'll see how I'm using a paintbrush next to the siding. But also watch how I'm rolling that thick, and then I'm coming back and I'm going to grab that other roller, and you can just see how it takes away all those lines and overlapping. fades it away nicely.
Take a look at it. As it goes down, you see like there's a white film to it. And it's supposed to be that way. It looks nice and shiny. Over here, you can see it's already starting to dry. Dries pretty quick. Now, obviously, like these sections here, like right here, it's gonna take longer. Obviously, I get it down in there. Now, I wish I would have done this a year ago. I think I waited too long, especially with the areas that had sun on it. But it is what it is, live and learn. I'll probably put another coat on it next year, just so that way it's gonna look even better. But for now, yeah, it looks good. Check it out. Now, I did have to leave Livy locked up. That way she can do that. Say hi. Say hi. That way she didn't walk on it. I have this old section of sidewalk. Goes back to the patio. Right here. Now you'll notice that it's old for sure. Now that is a water spot. I know you're not supposed to have the concrete wet when you do this. This is an old section of sidewalk. I got some extra. I'm gonna have some fun and see what happens. Do a little bit of an experiment. But this concrete here has never seen sealer at all, ever. So we're gonna see what happens. Let me just look at that. We're gonna see what happens when we put a sealer on old concrete. That'll be fun. I did this section here, concrete. I think it looks pretty good. So that is the sidewalk there on the side. I think it came out pretty good. I don't know how it's gonna wear or anything. There's that bad section. That was dark. So we'll see what happens. Maybe I'll lighten up over time, but obviously it's definitely still wet. It's gonna probably take longer for the rest to dry out. So overall it looks pretty good. Looks good. Well, we got the sealing on the concrete all done. And take a look at it. Give you a couple of different perspectives. How it looks. Check that out. Huh? There's an umbrella. So you can see that the sun really got to that section there. Kind of wish I would have sealed it a little sooner. But overall, looks sweet. So that's it. Thanks for watching.